The eighth biggest mistake you can make is losing the other driver's contact information and photos from the car accident. It's really important to always have this information. Hopefully you maybe took a photo of the driver's license, of the insurance card, or you wrote that down somewhere on a piece of paper. Maybe they handed you a business card. Whatever it is vital that you hold on to that information. Put it in a safe place. If you took a photo of the person's driver's license, make sure you have a backup copy of it somewhere so that if you lost your phone, you wouldn't, or you replaced your phone, you wouldn't lose that information with the new one that you get. The reason this is so important is that if you need to have an attorney representing you, that information is going to be absolutely critical. And especially if, in the very unlikely event that a lawsuit did have to be filed, without that information, it may be literally impossible to file a lawsuit. Also, keeping a hold of the photos that you took of the accident scene, of your car, of the other person's car, can become invaluable for proving who's at fault for causing the collision if there's a dispute. Invaluable for proving the extent of the damages done to the vehicles to prove that you really were injured. And if you don't have backup copies of those photos somewhere securely saved, you may find yourself someday going, oh no, I can't find that, and really wishing you would have had all of that information. So do your best to make sure that you have an extra copy of everything secure somewhere. So in the event you need it, you will always be able to find it. Thank you.